Shut up and sit down.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at what's inside the new 2020 Baby Registry gift bag from Target. Now Target, like Walmart, Amazon, Babylist, Bye Bye Baby, and a lot of other companies, they give out these the free samples of all kinds of things, from diapers to skin cream, baby wipes. And there's not a lot in it, but a lot of each thing in it, it's samples basically, but it's useful. And unlike Amazon and Babylist, you don't have to jump through a lot of hoops. With Babylist, you have to fill out the registry and pay $10 shipping. With Amazon, you have to fill out this huge registry. I mean, item after item you have to add to your registry. And then, I believe about $150 worth of stuff. I may be wrong on that figure. I don't remember. It's been a while. About $150 must be purchased from your registry, and then they send you the gift box. And with Babylist, like I said, you have to pay $10 shipping, but you also get a $10 coupon to use on their site. With Target, all you gotta do is fill out the registry online. You don't even have to add things to your registry. You just gotta fill out your personal information. And they give you a barcode that you print out, you take to any Target store, you give it to the people at the desk, and they give you this bag. And that's it. No muss, no fuss. It's probably the easiest free baby package out there. So today we're gonna go over it. But before we do, I gotta tell you, my wife got into it before I did. So, and she found something she really liked. It's the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Massage Lotion for stretch marks. And this isn't what came with it. It came with a small little package of it, and my wife liked it so much that she used it, and then we bought more of it. Of course, even though it came from Target, we bought it from Amazon. But that's life today, right? So I'm not gonna be able to show you exactly what came in it. There's one thing missing, and that's that. But my wife swears by it. She loves it. It stops her stomach from itching, and the other creams that she's been using didn't. So she's happy with it. Other than that, we're gonna go through what was in the bag. So the first item is this Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula with vitamin E. It's a massage lotion for stretch marks. It has collagen, elastin, argan oil, whatever that is, and shea butter. I guess that's just to make it smell good. And my wife seems to really like it. So if you guys are looking for a massage lotion or basically a moisturizer to put on your stomach, my wife swears by this. So you know, I haven't tried it, so you know, it's hearsay, but my wife loves it. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. So the next thing is another Pampers Swaddler. And what this is a diaper changing pad with a diaper in it and quite a few coupons. So that's what comes in these. It seems like everyone has this. The Babies List had it, Amazon has it, and now Target has it. Next item, another package of water wipes. So, you know, by the time we're done with these baby bags and baby boxes, we're going to have like 2 or 3 days worth of wipes and diapers, which is good. This is new. We haven't seen this before. This is called Honest, Our Best Diaper Ever from the Honest Company. Sure Fit, Advanced Leak Protection, and Ultra Soft for babies 8 to 14 pounds, and this is one diaper. I'm guessing based on this, there's probably some coupons inside as well. And it looks like maybe some wipes. Coupons and wipes, or a diaper, coupons, and wipes. Now we got 3 free Huggies special delivery diapers. This looks interesting. Free of parabens, fragrance, and elemental chlorine. Our best combination of softness and performance, featuring stylish designs. There's 3 of these. I'm not sure. I'm assuming it's for newborns. Oh, babies up to 14 pounds. We've got another entry from the Honest Company. Gentle, nourishing, Honest face and body lotion, and Honest shampoo and body wash. Samples of disposable nursing pads and breast milk storage bags. That's good. We already have a few of these, so a few more will come in handy. So next up we have 3 baby wash and shampoos and 1 moisturizer. The shampoo and baby washes are from Cetaphil, Johnson's, and Dove. And the moisturizer is from Aveeno. And Aveeno is a good brand for moisturizer, I know that. So this is actually really cool. We won't have to buy baby wash or shampoo for probably the first month or so. So that's useful. That's really helpful. Thank you, Target. So this is, I believe, our third packet of newborn laundry detergent from Drift. I think it's always been from this company. I'm not sure. We might have one packet from another company. It says #1 choice of pediatricians, hypoallergenic, so that's good. Not sure how much this will last. Based on the weight of this is probably 1 or 2 loads worth, so that's cool. Next up, we have a sample of Moisturizing Daily Lotion. It's fragrance-free, and it's from a company called Baby Ganix. And of course, it comes with this large coupon, or not really a coupon, but large advertisement for their Essentials gift set, which is kind of cool, I guess. Which include, looks like wipes, shampoo, baby wash, bottle bath, daily lotion, dish and bottle soap, high chair wipes, and alcohol-free hand sanitizers. So, not sure if that's something that we're going to be getting, but we'll probably use this sample at some point. Now we have a sample of boogie wipes. I have not seen these before, but they're pretty cool. So fresh scent, I don't know what that means, made with natural saline. This is for wiping the boogers and snot out of your newborn's nose. So that might be useful. I know we're going to get a snot sucker, so I'm not sure if we'll be using this, but at some point we probably will. Next up we have Aquifer Healing Ointment for babies. It's their advanced therapy. They say it's for dry, chapped, and irritated skin. I guess this is for like diaper rash or whatnot. I'm not sure. Or if you take your kid out into the cold wind or something, maybe this is helpful, but you probably shouldn't be doing that. So now we have another binky, which is good. Small, lightweight for newborns. So it's a pacifier basically. And we've gotten several of these, which is nice. It's supposed to be really good to have a bunch of these, so hopefully this will come in handy. And like most of the other packages, we also got a baby bottle. This one is Dr. Brown's Natural Flow. It says that it reduces colic, spit up, burping, and gas. It's a bottle. I'm not sure how it can reduce spit up, burping, or gas, because all it is a bottle. Helps preserve vitamin C, A, E, plus lipids. Again, it's a bottle. It does nothing but hold liquid that the baby sucks out of it. I'm not sure how any of these things can actually be true, but it's what they claim, and we'll make good use of it because it's a bottle, and you need lots of bottles. And last, and probably least, is a Target coupon book with all kinds of discounts that we probably won't use because we'll be getting most of this stuff from Amazon and or Costco. I know we're going to get all our diapers and formula from Costco because they seem to have the best rating and the lowest prices for their the Costco brand, the Kirkland brand stuff. So, but I don't know, there may be something in here that we'll use, and I'm pretty sure there's one in here my wife found that she's going to use, and that's the 50% off the handcrafted Starbucks beverage. I'm not a coffee drinker, but she is, so she'll use that. Well, that's it for the Target gift bag. I hope you found this useful. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope that you like, follow, share, and subscribe, and hit that little notification icon, that bell down there, and you'll know when we have more videos coming. I know I normally do cycling-related videos or weight loss videos, but I'm also going to be doing videos like this coming up. The next one of these baby opening things that I'm going to be doing is the Walmart gift box as soon as it arrives. And I hope you liked it. I hope you like, share, follow, and subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. Bye.